Hi everyone! Welcome to Simply Emmy Vlogs. Thank you very much for all those who subscribe. And for those who haven't, please don't forget to click the subscribe button and the bell notification for more updates. Today I'm gonna show you how to make an improvised lamp using only 5 things. Thank you to my friends Hazel for recommending this and for Johnny who asked me to try making it. This is very useful in times of emergency when the power is out. It's also very helpful to our friends all over the world where electricity is very scarce, especially in some areas of the Philippines who had just recently experienced the devastating typhoon, and you can share this to them so they can try it. An alternative for the kerosene lamp or candles in case they don't have. The 5 things we need in making this improvised lamp is very common and available in every house. So let's go to the kitchen, guys, and we'll start making it. Here's what we need. First, salt. I'm using a pickling salt or sea salt. Number 2, oil. I'm gonna use both the used one and the fresh oil. Number 3, toothpick or any tiny stick you can use. Number 4, a piece of cotton that we can wrap around the stick and creates the wick. Lastly, number 5, the empty jars. You can use any empty jars like your mug or an old containers or an old bottles. For me, I prefer the one with the lids on it. First step, pour the salt into the jars. You can try pouring it with your hands like this, or spoon the salt into the containers. Make sure to leave a space at the top of the bottle or the container for your wick. Now let's make the wick by wrapping a piece of cotton around the stick or the toothpick. In the first bottle, we're gonna pour the used oil. Make sure to cover all parts of salt with oil. When you're done, let's pour the clean oil into the next bottle. Then insert the wick in the middle part of the bottle, making sure that it is soaked with oil. Now the most exciting part, let's light it up. Ta-da! Now we get 2 improvised lamps.
1 hour later.
It's been an hour and it's still glowing nicely. And it only used up a little bit amount of oil. Now that I am done using the lamp to put out the flame, I can just simply put back the lids of the container. Guys, please click like and share it to your friends. More interesting videos are coming up with Simply Emmy Vlogs. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.